How to log into Soundation? First of all, open your preferred web browser and go to the official Soundation website at soundation.com. Once the homepage loads, look at the top right corner and click on the login button. This will take you to the login page. Next, you will see two main options to log in, either with your email and password or by using a connected account like Google or Facebook. If you have already created your Soundation account using an email, enter your email address and password in the respective fields, then click on the login button below. If you signed up using Google or Facebook, simply click on the respective button and it will redirect you to a secure login window. Once you confirm your account there, you will be taken straight to your Soundation dashboard. In case you forgot your password, there is a forgot password link under the login fields. Click on it, enter your email and click on reset password. Now, follow the instruction to reset your password from your email and regain access to your account. Also make sure your internet connection is stable, as a weak connection can cause login issues. If you still can't log in after multiple tries, it might be helpful to clear your browser cache or try using a different browser. And that's it. Now you know how to account login in Soundation. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.